Flying changes people. There's nothing like seeing someone go from zero experience to lifting off on their own.
It's more than a career, it's a calling.
Whether it's airplanes or helicopters, our approach is the same.
We built this academy to give students everything they need to succeed.
Airplanes, helicopters, avionics, maintenance, it's all here in one place.
Aviation Academy of Louisiana began as a helicopter flight training facility. We added airplanes later when we realized that there was truly a lack of professional flight training in our area.
We're a Part 141 school that keeps students on track and finishing strong.
Structured flight training is important because it'll give you realistic outcomes from realistic expectations. Being an FAA approved flight school under Part 141 is unique here in Acadiana. Part 141 flight schools will be approved for alternate funding options that are not available to a non-certified flight school.
When I see a student solo for the first time, it tells me that our system works. The training, discipline, and respect for the aircraft all come together.
What I love and enjoy is watching the students' confidence grow with each and every flight. Our instructors care. They don't just train, they mentor.
Aviation gives people the opportunity to excel in a career that doesn't necessarily require a college degree.
We operate like a professional environment because we want our students to be ready for a real professional aviation career. Students can train at their own pace or through one of our accelerated programs.
I've been blessed to fly amazing aircraft in my career. Airplanes, jets, helicopters, and now I get to teach the next generation.
Not only are we a Part 141 flight school, but we're a Part 145 repair station as well, meaning we have an in-house dedicated team of maintenance professionals that keep our aircraft maintained to the highest standard to ensure that our students have something to fly every single day.
Most flight schools outsource maintenance. We do all of that in-house.
Aviation Academy of Louisiana is the only R44, R66, and R88 service center dealership between Houston and Atlanta.
As a Robinson Service Center and dealership, along with our Garmin Service Center, our standards stay aligned with those manufacturers who support safe, professional aviation. Coming from a maintenance and a quality assurance background really changes the way that you see aviation. Safe flying starts way before any engine is started.
The quality aircraft and avionics, every time I get into one of our planes, I know that our systems are going to be up to date. I know that I'm not going to have any issues. I know that it was taken care of in maintenance, and I'm not going to have any worries when I go fly with students.
I get great joy out of instructing the next generation of pilots. It makes me happy to be able to pass along my passion for this industry into a new group of people and to be able to keep this industry alive for many generations to come.
Wonderful experience. It's been several months coming down here doing this, but this place is very professionally ran. They have mechanics on site. I would 100% recommend this place if you're trying to start your helicopter or your fixed wing.
I have a lot of pride in instructing for Aviation Academy because I was a student here once. I did all of my training through Aviation Academy, from private through commercial, CFI, II, MEI. I've done the program. I know that it works.
Acadiana is a great place to fly. It's a nice, unique airport, small, quaint. The runway is very large. It was built just after World War II. It's 8,002 feet by 200 feet. We're also a Class Delta. Pretty lax, pretty slow, so you're not saturated with other aircraft.
Coming down to the Aviation Academy of Louisiana, I'm always able to fly on my own schedule at my own pace. The check ride scheduling is good. It's always been on time.
We utilize local DPEs to keep our check rides on schedule.
I've been a DPE for 37 years. So bottom line, my association with the school has been very good. Very pleased with the quality of students, with the training environment, and with the overall operation of the school in general. So I personally highly recommend it to anyone interested in airplane or helicopter training.
With the aviation industry being the way it is, and there's such a dramatic need for pilots, now for me was the best time to be able to get into this industry. My end goal in aviation is to eventually become a corporate jet pilot, and that's one of the reasons why I chose this school to come and train and work at, because they have resources here, such as our jet management service, that can allow me to be introduced to that side of aviation.
We're serious about training, but we're also a family. Our students come from all over, and in the end, they feel like they belong.
It's not like a big corporation. It's definitely very family oriented.
I really enjoy the culture we have here at Aviation Academy. We not only function as coworkers well, but we also enjoy spending time outside of work, being not just coworkers but friends, as well as our students.
Whether you want to fly airplanes, helicopters, or become an instructor, we're here to help you start your aviation career.
We want every student to walk away feeling the sense of accomplishment. Our job is to make sure you leave here prepared and proud to be an aviator.
This is where pilots are made.
This is Aviation Academy of Louisiana.
Built to fly.